Hey everyone, happy Saturday. I'm back to show an unboxing, an unboxing without the box, of a swap I received from Deanna Lauderdale, and we both participated in the BOOlicious swap, hosted by Marianne's Craft Corner and Gloria's Crafts, Hauls, and More on YouTube. And this is what my partner Deanna sent me, and I haven't looked at this yet, and other than just taking it out of the box, I'm going to show you what I received. And I have this beautiful, I believe it's the KS Craft tote. I love this. I love the paper she picked. And inside we have, oh, I got to turn around. We have, one of the things we were to make was a memory decks card, and I'm gonna spare you the crinkling, and this is really cute. And I think this is the Scrap Diva Designs Spiderweb Memory Decks die, and that's really cute, and I love the bright bold colors that she used. And what else we have in here? Oh, is this gorgeous sprinkle mix from Michaels. And I didn't pick this up, and I wished I had, so thank you so much for sending this to me. I know I will get a lot of use out of that in Halloween's to come. And then inside here, oh my goodness, I hope this is what I think it is. It is a whole bunch of candy. And I love candy, and I can't wait to dive into this because it's probably not going to survive the weekend. There's all kinds of snack size, looks like Reese's, and I think it is just, oh goodness, it's all Reese's. Yes, all for me. Thank you, Deanna. I love that. And then here is the tote. We were to package this up in a cute tote or purse. And she used the another tote by Scrap Diva Designs, and I have to confess that I made this one for her too. Love the paper. It's vintagey. I love vintage Halloween. I am really stinking old, so when I say I love vintage Halloween, I lived it. So, yep, love the colors, the muted colors, the faded, and the prints. I love it all. It brings me back. All right, now, what else do we have in here? We have some gemstone art, a little kit. It's really cute. It is really cute. They look like really tiny diamond dots. I love that. Love that. That is so fun. And here's make some bows. And these are really cute with the little eyes for the centers. Sorry about the glare. I haven't really figured out the lighting 100% yet. So I'm still working on that. I'm still working on a lot of things. You should have seen me try to do a Instagram post not too long before I started this. And I had to Google and figure out how to do more than one picture at a time. It was really sad, but I think I got it, and I probably could have done it a little more professionally, but yeah, in time. I'm still working on it. We were to make a decorated shaker. It's really cute too. I love that. I'm loving the vintage. And what else we got? Now here's another shaker, and this is a KS Craft. This is the cat. I have this too, but I didn't get a chance to use it. I am really loving the shaker bits and the papers. I'm very excited about this. I love it a lot. Thank you again, Deanna. Oh, and she sent me this bead kit from Mike. I think it's a Creatology from Michaels. Oh, I can't wait to use that, and then I can also use it for an embellishment box after I've used all those cute beads. And here's some trick-or-treat cutouts. We were also to do a trim sample, 2 trim samples. Kind enough to give me 3, and I don't have these, so that's always an extra bonus to me. So thank you for that. We were to make a decorated rosette. It's really cute. I'm going to have to ask you what this paper collection is because I really want to get it now. And then some clay bits for shakers. Love that. Thank you so much. And some stickers. Epoxy. These are epoxy stickers. These are really nice. And some rub-on transfer decals. I love them too. So thank you, Deanna. Everything was so thoughtful and cute, and I love everything you've made. And then we were to make 2 of the decorated rosettes. This is number 2. Love the paper. There's some wire wrapped beads. Little charms actually for my dangles. Thank you so much. And the thing in here is some I guess they're little bones, I think. Awesome. Gosh, thank you very much, Deanna. I love everything. I hope you like what I made you, and have a happy Halloween season. Thank you, and bye.